1 minus 5 times 1 minus 5. You might see this and say 1 minus 5 is negative 4. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. We multiply that together and we get a positive 16. But that would be incorrect. Let's try that again. Now this would be a great time to pause your video and see if you can solve this yourself. Come up with your answer, put it in the comments below, then resume the video and see if you got it right. Also, this is a great time for me to let you know that in the links below, you'll find a great at-home math kit with everything you need from a whiteboard, markers, an eraser, even a calculator to help you solve these problems along with me. Check that out. All right, so before we get started with this problem, we have to understand the order of operations, PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us that parentheses have the first priority, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and then adding and subtracting. So we're first going to start with our parentheses, which is going to give us a negative 4. So we can bring the rest of the problem down. Put our multiplication in here. Next, we'll move down to multiplication. Negative 5 times negative 4. Negative 5 times negative 4 gives us a positive 20. That's going to change this subtraction sign to an addition sign because it's now positive. Bring the 1 down. 1 plus 20 gives us 21. The answer to our equation today is 21.